Kung first time mo palang kukuha ng life insurance plan for you, this is the best plan kasi 4-in-1 na siya. Meron siyang life insurance, accident, health, and savings. And this plan is called Health Invest Plus. Diba sabi ko 4-in-1 plan na to? Ibig sabihin yung first is life insurance. So covered tayo in case of natural death, accidental death, or death due to illnesses up to age 100. Second is yung accident natin. So meron ditong accident and health para sa mga major accidents like accidental death, dismemberment, or total and permanent disability. And then for minor accidents, dito papasok yung medical reimbursement per accident per year. So pareho sila, covered tayo up to age 72. Yung third natin is critical illness coverage. So hindi kailangan maging malala yung sakit ng client para makapag-start tayong mag-file for this plan. Even early stage, pwede na tayong mag-file ng assistance from the plan. So covered tayo nito until age 75. And to have a peace of mind then as additional coverage is yung waiver of premium for critical illness. If ever yung member ay na-diagnose ng cancer, stroke, heart attack at iba pang mga critical illness habang nagbabayad tayo ng plan, ang mangyayari doon si AIA na magbabayad para ma-waive yung payment for critical illness and also for life insurance. Note na ito'y magte-take effect kung major critical illness. Pag early stage, hindi pa ma-waive. And matitira dito na babayaran na lang natin is accident. So kung sakaling nangyari yon within paying period. Yung fourth is yung savings or long-term savings. Mamaya papakita ko yun sa inyo. So ito yung mga benefits na sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina. Itong plan na to ay para sa age 30. So kunyari na-approve na agad yung plan. So pag effective na yung plans, covered na yung member, tayo ng 750,000 until age 100, kahit after 7 years, fully paid na yung plan. Aside from that, kapag effective na rin yung plan, covered na rin tayo ng 750,000 na accident coverage for major accidents and 50,000 per illness per year para sa accidental medical reimbursement. Ang mangyayari lang, pag approve na yung plan for the critical illness benefit, meron lang tayong contestability period or waiting period na 90 days para mag-take effect tong 375,000. And then after 3 months, magte-take effect nito, cover tayo until age 75. Kung major illnesses tayo, buong 375,000. Pero pag critical illness na minor lang or early stage, 25% ng 375,000 ang maifa-file nung member. Maliban pa doon, meron tayong tinatawag na waiver of premium for critical illness. Yan, so kasama ito sa ating plan. Ito yung mga different mode of payments na meron ang Health Invest Plus na 7P. Okay, so let's proceed sa fourth benefit, yung tinatawag natin na long-term savings. Ito, additional benefit lang to sa plan kasi ang pinaka main purpose nito is para sa health mo tsaka sa protection or life insurance na tinatawag. So itong sinisave mo, ganyan napupunta yung portion niya para mapunta dun sa savings goal mo in the future. So after 7 years or sana after 10 years, kung kailangan mo lang ng money, pwede kang kumurot-kurot, tinatawag natin dun partial withdrawal. If ever kakailanganin mo ng additional money para sa mga goals mo, like yung client ko, yung pinaka first ever client ko nung 2013, kaklase ko ng college, nung pandemic, kailangan niya ng additional money pambayad sa condominium niya. So nag-withdraw kami ng portion sa plan. So hanggang ngayon, binabayaran niya pa rin yun, insured pa rin siya, nag-grow. Pero nung time na nangailangan ka ng money, kesa umutang tayo sa iba, meron ka pa namang plan dito sa AIA, lalo na yung kanya after 10 years na, pag nag-withdraw, walang withdrawal charges, dito siya makakatulong. O kaya naman pwedeng gawin mong retirement plan in the future. So pag ganun ang plano natin, kung kaya natin maghulog, ituloy-tuloy natin yung paghuhulog kahit fully paid na yung plan. Kasi mangyayari dyan, mag-grow pa tong estimated or projection na savings natin for the future. That's the 4-in-1 plan na tinatawag nating Health Invest Plus ng AIA Philippines. So meron ka ng life insurance, accident, critical illness, and long-term savings. Diba? Sulit na sulit. So for more questions regarding this plan and other health card or life insurances, you can send me a message or you can comment down below.